Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on an unboxing journey with one of the most highly anticipated smartphones, OnePlus Ace 3. Known for pushing the boundaries of technology, OnePlus has once again promised an extraordinary experience. Join me as we unveil the OnePlus Ace 3 and explore the premium features it has to offer. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, we are greeted with the stunning OnePlus Ace 3, featuring a sleek and modern design. It comes with a charging cable and a fast charger. The phone feels comfortable in hand, thanks to its slim profile and premium build quality. Moving on to the display, the OnePlus Ace 3 boasts a stunning 6.78 inches flexible AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 4500 nits peak brightness. The colors are vivid, and the details are sharp, creating an immersive visual experience. Under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse. The flagship smartphone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, along with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. The performance is smooth and responsive, allowing for seamless multitasking and gaming. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus Ace 3 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor with an f/2.4 aperture. This device promises to deliver exceptional photography and videography capabilities. I can't wait to put these cameras to the test in various scenarios. The OnePlus Ace 3 runs ColorOS 14.0, is based on Android 14 and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. The battery life of the OnePlus Ace 3 is exceptional. It packs a 5500 mAh battery. The OnePlus Ace 3 supports 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. In conclusion, OnePlus Ace 3 impresses with its design, performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone at a more affordable price point, this could be the perfect device for you. The OnePlus Ace 3 has left a lasting impression with its premium design, thoughtful accessories, and the promise of cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for our comprehensive review, where we'll delve deeper into the performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. Thank you for joining us on this exciting unboxing journey of the OnePlus Ace 3.